What is going on, guys? It's Sonic here, and today we are going to be painting my front lip for my Hyundai Accent. This here is my lip. It's getting in rough condition. It's off a 2000 Acura EL, which I found on the side of the road, actually, and I took it home and actually test fitted it up. So first, we're going to take it off. Here we go. God. Ah, that's going in bloopers. That scared the fuck out of me. That right there is why I put my front lip on. It's all cracked from the previous owner. Next, I'm gonna sand down the front lip using 100 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna videotape some of it, but I'm not gonna do it all because that's a lot of footage of nothing. Me sanding that down is just gonna create something that my primer. So at this point, I scuffed it up, and now I'm gonna use some glass cleaner to clean it up to get all the dust off.
Camera.
Alright, now that that is finished, look at the paper towel. It is a mess. That's all the dust that came from sanding the front lip. Alright, what am I going to be using to paint, prime, and clear this front bumper? To prime it, I'm going to use Rust-Oleum's Painter's Touch Ultra 2x Cover Gray Primer. Just a simple primer I got from Walmart. Next, for the base coat, I'm going to use the Tremclad Gloss Black, which I also got from Walmart. And then to clear it, I'm going to use the Gloss Clear by Rust-Oleum. Now you must be wondering how many coats of each am I going to do. For the primer, I'm going to do 3 coats. The first 2 are going to be light, and the third one is going to be a medium. For the base coat, I am going to do the first coat light, the second coat medium, and the third coat just to touch up and to go over it in a different way. Next, for the clear I'm going to do 3 coats, 3 light coats. You only want to do them light so you don't get orange peel, and you want to wait approximately 15 minutes between each coat. Alright, now that everything's cleaned up and I have tarps all over my garage so I don't get overspray, I am going to start to prime. This is going to be the first coat. It's going to be a light coat. So it's just a light coat on it right now. I want horizontal, and then next coat is going to be vertical. From here to that way. Alright, so it's been approximately 10-15 minutes. Now I'm going to do the second coat horizontally. That was the second coat, and now it's fully covered. Now I'm going to wait another 10-15 minutes, and I'm going to do the third coat, and then after that I'm going to wet sand. Alright, now it's time for the third coat, and this is going to touch up all the spots that I kind of missed. Now that it is dry, I'm going to be using the 100 grit sandpaper again and some water, and now I'm going to wet sand it. Now that's done. Now I'm going to wipe it off with a cloth. Now that it's dry, it is finally ready for the gloss black base coat. I am going to be doing 3 coats of that, and let's start off with the first light coat. Now I am going to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's ready for a second coat, which is a medium coat. Now it's time for the third coat of the base coat, which I'm going to do pretty light. Now it's time for the 3 coats of clear coat. Now it is time for our second coat of clear coat. And finally, the last coat of clear, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll put it back on. Now that the bumper's dry, it's been like an hour and a half. I went inside, ate dinner, and now let's put it back on the car. What I did on the side is I also painted the hardware for it, so that it will match up with the front lip. So this is how the lip came out. Actually came out pretty good. There's a bit of orange peel in it, but it's just temporary till the winter, and then I'm going to be redoing it all. Now I'm going to take you for a test drive, and I'll show you my muffler delete I just put on.